how to use Binance Web3 wallet. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this, just open up your Binance account. Then after that, you just have to click on the wallets at the bottom right hand side corner. And now you will be able to find the option of exchange and Web3 at the top. Just switch your account to Web3. And this way you would be able to use the Web3 wallet of Binance. And over here, you can easily send crypto or receive crypto and also swap crypto. And the history option is also there. And when you scroll down, you will be able to see all the assets in your wallet. In case if you want to add some new asset to your wallet, just click on the little arrow button right beside assets and wait for it to load. Then click on this option of manage tokens. And after that, you will be able to find the option of plus at the top right hand side corner. Just click on it, or you can also scroll down in this list and just enable that particular crypto that you want to add in your assets. Suppose I want to add it manually, so I will just click on the plus icon at the top, and now just provide the network that you want to choose for a particular crypto. You can choose any network over here, and for any crypto it will be according to the crypto that you want to add, and this way you would be able to add it just like we used to add it in MetaMask. So just get back and let's see what else we can do on this Binance wallet. And over here you will be able to find the option of NFTs. In case if you have the NFT, you will be able to receive it. Let's click on the arrow button right beside it. Here you will be able to find the NFTs from all the networks, and you can also receive the NFTs. Just select any particular network and confirm, and you will be able to find NFTs from that particular network on your Binance wallet. But in order to perform all the other functions, you just need to back up your wallet first of all. Only after that you will be able to use your Binance wallet properly. Like, if you don't believe me, let me just show you why. When you click on receive, it will ask you to back up. So the first thing that you should do is back up your wallet, and after that you will be able to use all the functionalities. And this is how you will be able to use Binance Web3 wallet. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.